guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Fast Forward Friday Night. This is going to be Artapalooza highlights, and this is what I'm going to be doing tonight. These are MiX BLOOMS. My colors and paints are mixed 1 part paint to approximately 5 parts MiX pouring medium, and you can order that from Krista at Krista8974@gmail.com, I believe, is the correct one. If I'm wrong, please check the description. I will have the link there for you. But the CA, the Cell Activator for the lacing, that white you see there, kind of spider webbing all over, that is made from Amsterdam titanium white and school glue pouring medium. The school glue pouring medium is Elmer's school glue, mixed 70% school glue, 30% water, shaken to the point of insanity, and then I mix that 1 part Amsterdam opaque paint to 3 parts, sorry, 1 part Amsterdam opaque paints to 3 parts of the school glue pouring medium. So, okay guys. Let's have fun and start fast forwarding. Woohoo!
that you're ready to go. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you.